how to buy Anim token on Binance. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below, find your account and enjoy the benefit. Check the amount description. So as you can see, this token is available on MEXC. To be able to buy this token on Binance, what you need to do, click on MEXC here. As you can see, you will be able to see these two pairs. You will be able to see Anim USDT and Anim Try. So as you can see, select one of these, for example, Anim USDT. Now click on this pair link. You will be able to relax it to Binance. So make sure to log into your Binance account, and after that, what you need to do, go to this section. It's called buy. So what you need to do, select the limit. As you can see, our market is the same. Now set the amount that you want to buy of that token. So as you can see here, you will be able to see the total that you will pay of USDT that you selected. Now after that, it is simple. Click on buy Anim and you will be able to buy this token. If you select the market, what you need to do, just drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT you have on your account. You will be able to use it to buy this token. So after you set that percentage, click on buy Anim and you will be able to buy this token on your Binance account. So this is how to buy Anim token on Binance. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.